If you have low back pain, either from sitting too long or overdoing it, maybe spending a little too much time in the garden, lugging files around, lugging children around, it's just as important to strengthen our core as it is to stretch those muscles that feel tight and painful so that we can hopefully prevent that pain from occurring in the first place. Hi, everyone. It's Genene. And for 31 days, we're going to be strengthening our core. All you have to do is go to my website and subscribe to my monthly streaming library. The course begins January 1st, 2025, and is only available for $25 a month from January 1st to March 1st, 2025. After that, it will only be available as a standalone course and will cost a lot more. I can't wait to see you on the mat for this challenge. Namaste.